Let's dive into adding a drop shadow in DaVinci Resolve, both for regular text and text plus clips. We'll start with the regular text title. Firstly, right-click your text clip on the timeline. Select New Compound Clip. Feel free to name it if you like. Now head over to Open Effects in the Effects library. Utilize the search tool to locate the drop shadow effect. Once found, drag the drop shadow effect onto your compound clip, instantly adding a drop shadow to your text. To fine-tune the drop shadow, navigate to the inspector and select the Open Effects tab. Here, you can make adjustments, such as increasing the shadow's strength and changing the distance from your text. That's the straightforward process for adding a shadow to regular text. Now let's explore adding a drop shadow to a Text Plus clip. After placing your Text Plus clip on the timeline, move to the Fusion tab in the inspector and select the fourth option. Within this section, change the Select element to number 3, granting your text a drop shadow. Ensure it's enabled for display. To control the strength of the drop shadow, simply decrease the opacity. Text Plus provides an extensive range of customization options, but for simplicity, you might just want to adjust the shadow's position by dragging its offset values. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on adding drop shadows to both regular text and Text Plus clips in DaVinci Resolve. Incorporate these techniques into your editing toolkit for enhanced visual appeal and creative control over your text elements.